Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you everyone? I hope you are fine and doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool again. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, I am going to take an elementary science class for class 4 student. Dear student, our today's topic is chapter 12 and the name of our chapter is Information in Our Life. Let's see today's topic. This is chapter 12 and the name of our chapter is Information in Our Life. And this is lecture number 12 and I will give you some SW. Our SW number will be 11 number SW. And this is your science book and our today's topic is here. This is chapter 12. We have already discussed some topic of this chapter in our previous class and today we will start from here, page number 91. So let's start today's class. You can see here is the point, use of information. We get a lot of information every day. The amount of information is increasing at a rapid pace. Therefore, we need to make a good use of information in our life. The use of information includes the activities like collecting, storing and sharing information. Here is some step. The following steps show a wise use of information. Now we will read step 1. Deciding what types of information you need. We may need different types of information at one time or another. News, weather, events, ideas or people's experiences are example of information. Look at this picture. He is telling something. He is telling that I want to know today's weather report. That means he needs some information about weather. And she is telling I need information on the date of cricket match. Now step 2, finding the ways and sources for collecting information. You must find the ways and sources that are best suited to the information you need. You may get the information by observing and asking people. There are different sources of information such as people, newspaper, books, the internet, TV and radio. Now step 3, collecting the information. Necessary information should be collected with the best ways and sources we found. During collecting the information, we should keep a record. We can store the information by taking a note on a notebook or paper, or using a recording technology such as camera, CD and DVD. Look at this picture. He is telling something. How and where can I get information on weather report? And she is telling that you may get the information by using media such as a radio or a TV. Before sharing information, organize the information on the exercise book or papers based on your recording. When sharing the information with someone, you should pay attention to what we want to say and how we can give clear explanations to our friends. Dear student, I have finished this chapter today. Now we will do some fill in the blanks of this chapter. Here is 3 filling the blanks. Our first filling the blanks is information and dash technology makes our lives easier. What will be the answer? Information and communication. So, answer will be communication. So, one number is information and communication technology makes our lives easier. Number 2 fill in the blanks is people drawing picture on cave wall or use dash to store information. What will be the answer? People drawing picture on cave wall or used lithograph. So we will write here lithograph. People drawing picture on cave wall or use lithograph to store information. Number 3 filling the blanks is the use of information includes the activities like collecting, storing and dash information. What will be the answer? The use of information includes the activities like collecting, storing and exchange information. The answer will be exchange. Exchange. So I am bring this filling the blanks again. 1 number information and communication technology makes our lives easier. 2 number people drawing picture on cave wall or used lithograph to store information. And 3 number the use of information includes the activities like collecting, storing and exchange information. Now dear student, I will give you SW. Our today's SW number is 11 number SW. And remember that when you will do your SW, please write the SW number and your SW will be this fill in the blanks. Here is 3 filling the blanks and your SW will be this 3 filling the blanks. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy and submit your SW on every Sunday from 8 AM to 4 PM. Dear student, stay home and well, abide by your parents. See you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.